Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this powerful Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to find and replace subscript and superscript text in Word quickly and accurately. This is extremely useful for scientific documents, formulas, chemical equation, academic warning, writing, and professional formatting. Instead of manually fixing each word, you will automate the process using Word's advanced find and replace feature. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now you can see here assignment, and here some text are superscript and some text are subscript. Now you want to make the superscript and subscript text find and replace. Go to the home menu, click the replace option. Now you can see here the two word is subscript. Now I am write 2, then we select the find next. We can see here the 2. Now I am replace that is 10, then click replace all. Then we can see here all done. We made 7 replacement because here 7, 2 here. Now the 2 here is 10. You can make another like the 4. Select the 4 and click again replace all. We can see here the 5 replacement is 4 to 10. Here this proof. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.